Hi everyone, we are covering Unit 1, and just to very quickly go over it, this is a unit where we are studying the origins of humankind. Where do the first people come from? In the beginning of the unit, you'll be building your background knowledge by using the visual vocabulary tools. We have our vocab list and our slideshow here. We also will have a KWL Padlet. You'll click the little link and you will write down what you know, what you want to know, and what you've learned about the topic, and we'll keep coming back to this. This is also a chance for you to practice using Padlet because your final project will be housed on Padlet. Another formative activity is the hominin investigation, where you are going to go through and organize different artifacts from oldest to most recent, and you will be learning about how hominids used artifacts to survive. And the project itself is called the Cradle of Humankind. We're investigating where the first people came from. In this topic, you are going to be practicing being creative communicators. You're going to research a topic related to either a historical site, like the UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Great Rift Valley, or of a different hominid in particular. You're going to pick a format, which I'll show you in a second, your options, and then you're creating a digital product. So if you look at the examples here, you can create a timeline of different hominins. You can create a map of discoveries. You could create a digital collage of Meet the Hominid, or of the actual physical space of the Great Rift Valley in East Africa. What a sample project might look like on Padlet has the different hominids. I listed them following the criteria, and if you click on them, whoops, they take you to the link, but there's also a written description. You'll be responsible for completing your own Padlet and commenting on 3 other student Padlets. Please check the website resources for rubrics, timing, resources, and more. Thank you.